Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In the powers that are vested in the town planning minister, which is already been vetted by the legally by the government, the outline development plan of Kandolim and Kalangut is suspended under section 40 of the Town Planning Act. Outline development plan of Arpa Anagoa Parra, which has got largest amount of discrepancies, is suspended under section 40. Outline development plan of Vasco da Gama is suspended under section 40. Further, in the exercise of powers conferred by subsection 1 of section 132, the said government hereby directs the regional plan Goa 2021 shall be applicable in the respect of Kalangut Kandolim planning area, Arpur Nagaon planning area, and outline development plan 2026 Vasco da Gama area shall be applicable in respect of Vasco da Gama planning area until further order of the government. Above committee shall submit its report going case by case within a period of 60 days from the issue of this notification, which is already been issued. Outline development plans now which are being draft ODPs which are being suspended under section 132 are the draft outline development plan of Panjim, draft outline development plan of Kadamba Plateau, draft outline development plan for Mapsa planning area, draft outline development plan of Margaon planning area, draft outline development plan of Ponda planning area. All these stand suspended till further till government comes with a special thing in interest of the public. All the representation given by these agents, these bodies are already there in file, and as a result of which we thought that we should come clean. This department from now on will function in a very transparent manner, less political interference, and whatever discrepancies that are there will be brought in front of the public that these were the discrepancies. Administrative order जे processan ha, even जे final केले ODP. So कायदो ha under section 40, which is also mentioned in such a way that there is a grave emergency. Under section 40, the wording is like that. If the government feels that there is a grave emergency and the government has to act, the government needs to act to save the state. Government cannot just sit in silence.